Okay, let's go ahead and talk about mail on here. So the first thing we want to do is just simply find out what task 7, chapter 10, question is, what are the 3 kinds of email accounts that you can use in the mail app? So it says launch WordPad and retype this question. So I'm just going to go ahead and select it inside of the PDF, let my students do it. I'm going to start WordPad up. Do a Control V for the question on here. I know that that's a bit small, so I'm going to go ahead and increase the size of the font a little bit. And it says, what are the 3 kinds of emails? I probably should have said list and describe, but I didn't. So you pretty much got me on that one. I'm not going to go ahead and rewrite this. If you go to page 390 of your book, the up to speed window, POP, IMAP, and web-based. So there's web-based mail, which is like Yahoo. There's IMAP accounts. Now these are the modern stuff. IMAP servers keep all your mail online rather than storing it solely on your computer. Who would think of that? Well, believe it or not, that's the way it used to be with the POP accounts. So IMAP stands for Internet Message Access Protocol. POP accounts, these are the older types that was used on the internet. POP stands for Post Office Protocol. They used to be really difficult to configure. I remember using those. I can't imagine anybody using one, but apparently there's still a need to understand this. The book talks about Time Warner accounts, Comcast. Does anybody use those? So those are the 3 main ones that we're going to go ahead and, since you got me on this one here, I'm just going to go ahead and list them. So it's web-based mail. The second one would be IMAP, and if you want to specify what that is, you can. I guess I should put it on here to show that I'm learning something. You will need to know this on the test. There's a reason why I'm typing this in. And the third one is POP. And this stands for Post Office Protocol. That was easy to remember, right? Got a new keyboard here, getting used to it. Let's read the task again. This just says launch, retype the question, answer it. I have. Save this file as email accounts to your desktop using the default file format. So I'm going to go ahead and save. I'll save it to my folder. And I'm putting it on here in my, and here it is. I'm going to go ahead and call it email accounts. I like to keep my desktop clean, as you got the idea, but basically to grade your stuff, I have to download them and put them on my desktop. So it gets kind of cluttered after a while. But anyway, let me just verify that it's in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last one that I did was email accounts. And there it is. I'm able to see the preview of it. Okay. Let's go to task 8 in the next video. Let's keep them separate.